VMware. You are using VMware to create a virtual machine. You encounter the following error. Virtualized Intel VT-x is not supported on this platform. Continue without Virtualized Intel VT-x. VMware Workstation does not support nested virtualization on this host. Failed to start the virtual machine. You fix this error as follows. Settings. Privacy and security. Windows security. Device security. Core isolation. Core isolation details. Memory integrity. Off. Yes. Off. This change requires you to restart your device. Close. You restart your computer. Start. Power. Restart. The above is how to fix the Intel VT-x is not supported error on VMware. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.